poem is called Can't by Edgar Guest. Can't is the worst word that's written or spoken, doing more harm here than slander and lies. On it is many a strong spirit broken, and with it, many a good purpose dies. It springs from the lips of the thoughtless each morning, and robs us of courage we need through the day. It rings in our ears like a timely sent warning, and laughs when we falter and fall by the way.
Can't is the father of feeble endeavor, the parent of terror and half-hearted work. It weakens the efforts of artisans clever, and makes of the toiler an indolent shirk. It poisons the soul of the man with a vision. It stifles in infancy many a plan. It greets honest toiling with open derision, and mocks at the hopes and dreams of a man.
Can't is a word none should speak without blushing. To utter it should be a symbol of shame. Ambition and courage, it daily is crushing. It blights a man's purpose and shortens his aim. Despise it with all of your hatred of error. Refuse it, the lodgment it seeks in your brain. Arm against it as a creature of terror. And all that you dream of, you someday shall gain.
Can't is the word that is foe to ambition, an enemy ambushed to shatter your will. Its prey is forever the man with a mission, and bows but to courage and patience and skill. Hate it with hatred that's deep and undying, for once it is welcomed, 'twill break any man. Whatever the goal you are seeking, keep trying, and answer this demon by saying, I can.
I can.
I can.